Lately, YouTube has been aggressively promoting its Shorts feature across its platform. Shorts are gaining significant visibility and are being widely showcased by YouTube. These shorts of Joe Rogan generated millions of views in a short period of time. I was on my phone scrolling through Shorts and kept seeing clips going viral which clipped out interesting parts of podcasts. So in today's video, we're going to start a similar channel only using AI. We're going to show you how to create captivating YouTube Shorts in less than 5 minutes. From editing, creating titles, and the channel branding. So let's jump right in. First, let's have a look at the viral shorts. For example, there are channels like Rogan Shorts that are sharing these short videos and getting 18 million views on a video. All the viral shorts use interesting podcast parts, use subtitles and captivating background music, as well as short titles awaking the viewer's interest and video descriptions. And these channels are getting tons of views. You can literally copy these kind of videos, for example, pick another podcast or celebrity channel, and get so many views for yourself. It's very easy and unbelievable how you can do this in minutes with help of AI. Let's start by creating our channel. Step 1. Picking a popular podcast or speech. The first step is to choose a popular podcast or speech of the person we chose to promote, and that you think will resonate with your audience. This could be an interview, a motivational talk, or any engaging content that you believe has the potential to captivate viewers. Let's go for the famous podcaster and writer Jay Shetty. So I went to ChatGPT and asked him to give me 20 YouTube channel names for shorts about Jay Shetty. ChatGPT gives me 20 channel names. I think Jay Shetty's Shorts of Inspiration sounds good. Let's pick this one. Now that we have the name, we need to create the profile picture for our channel. So I went to Leonardo.ai, a free AI tool for generating images. I typed comic book art smiling Jay Shetty 4K, and there we go, Leonardo. AI generates the pictures. The good thing with Leonardo.ai is that you get multiple options to choose from. I'm going to choose the third one. Now let's create the YouTube banner for our channel. We can go to Canva and create an appealing banner for free. Okay, this looks good. Here we go, our channel is ready. Once the channel is set up, let's create the actual short using only AI for the process. Step 2. Using Opus.pro for perfect shorts. Now that you have your content, it's time to turn it into a perfect YouTube short using Opus.pro. This amazing tool automatically cuts the long-form content, in this case the interview, in multiple interesting shorts. From this interview, it generated 20 shorts, all with a high virality score, meaning they are likely to go viral. It generates subtitles and emojis, highlights the important text parts, and even provides you with a ready-to-use headline and a short video description. Let's choose this interview with Kylie Jenner, which got 2.7 million views, and let Opus.ai do its work. Now we can multiple shorts created. Let's have a look at this one, for example.
And so I had to set those boundaries for myself when I was about 23, 24. I really set boundaries for myself, and I was like, I want to continue to do this because this is what I love. But I need to start saying no.
As you can see, this AI tool picked very interesting parts, cutted out the pauses, added good subtitles. It even added an appealing headline. So sounds good to me. Let's download the short. Step 3. Enhancing the video with background music. To do this, head over to CapCut or any other video editing tool you prefer and add some free background music. This will create a captivating atmosphere and potentially increase viewer engagement. Step 4. Crafting the video description and tags. Now that your video is looking great, it's time to focus on the video description, hashtags, and fitting tags for the video to get attention and go potentially viral. For this, we turn to GTP, that can assist us with generating compelling video descriptions, hashtags, and fitting tags. Step 5. GTP Chrome extension for instant assistance. When it comes to the description and tags, it is crucial to prioritize the right keywords as they play a vital role in search engine optimization. These keywords are significant because they help YouTube identify the target audience for your video and can greatly influence the number of views it receives. Now we have a secret tip for you. To save time and get even more out of GTP, we highly recommend downloading the GTP Chrome extension AIPRM. With over 3,000 pre-programmed commands, it's an invaluable resource. Choose the pre-programmed command for YouTube SEO title, description with tags generator, and simply input the title of your video or its content and let GTP work its magic. It will create additional titles, descriptions, hashtags, and fitting tags for you. Step 6. Uploading and finalizing the video and adding finishing touches and emojis. With everything prepared, it's time to upload your video or schedule it for release. Once you have all the generated content from GTP, it's time to copy and paste it into the YouTube upload form. For better engagement, you can add some emojis to the title and description. This can significantly boost your click-through rate. For the hashtags, always include the hashtag shorts. To make it clear for the YouTube algorithm, you want to rank the video for shorts. If everything is ready, let's publish the video directly or schedule it. Boom! The video is online. Congratulations! And just like that, you've created an incredibly interesting short with captivating background music and a perfectly optimized YouTube SEO description and tags in less than 5 minutes. Now this is your big opportunity. Get on this now before anyone else does and utilize the advantage you have. We wish you good luck and are hyped to hear about your results. If you enjoyed this video and gained some valuable insights, we would be grateful if you give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next one.